Boys got it off.
Just gotta cut 100mm off. Yeah, 100mm.
We can do that up in here or what? Holy fuck.
Oh, I can borrow my knees.
Just put it down here, we'll cut it and then we'll put it in place, okay?
Yeah.
It's 5 metres wide, so we go 4'8".
Alright. Got the able in. Got the bars in. Got the chairs in. A little bit more. Just tied her up. Let's go. We got high pins in.
Oh, what is that?
On there.
I love it.
Who's
this fella?
Buckets.
Who's this fella?
Wait till one of the boys. And he's like, here you go.
Alright, we got concrete. We're going to wheelbarrow this one in. I'll get you on time lapse probably. I reckon. Thanks for that. Oh. Away we go. Alright, we're spreading down the hill. This mud was pretty shit. It was very bony. The stones are really big. And yeah, but it went alright. I screeded the whole thing. Just off the height pins. Boys pulling back for me. It was really good. Alright, here's some real time screeding. No time lapse. You can see what the mud's like. It was like really bony. It had really big stones in it. Usually with like this sort of mud it has 20mm stone. This is probably like 30mm stone, 40mm stone. So the bigger the stone, every time you scrape back it just flicks them back up. So it's very hard to close up. Normally I close up a lot more better than this, but I just felt like the bullfight can do his job. As you all say. And on this job here, Dave needed 6.6 cubic metres and that truck only held 6 metres. You'll see that we run out a little bit of concrete minutes plus. Wasn't too much of a problem, but that's a situation you get into sometimes. And you need that little bit more. We could have ordered 2 different trucks, but there would be a cold joint in between them to get the weight. So it wasn't that bad. Hope you guys are enjoying this episode. Thanks to Concrete Bundaberg, Dave and the guys. You'll see when I get on the bullfight even. Close it up, usually we just bullfight once and that's it. This stuff was, you had to bullfight like 3 or 4 times to close it up. And when it went off like an eggshell. The top went hard, but the bottom didn't go hard, so I tried to use a chopper and it just cracked the bloody dig in. You had to wait till the right time, and then it was all good. You gotta watch out. Anyway. Dave on the bullfight here. Thanks for you guys to close it up. I had a real flat section through the centre of it, where the gate would go. There's an electric gate going across the driveway. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Leave a comment down below. Say thanks to the boys.
Yeah, bud.
He's been doing that. Some water. Looking different now. They got another truck on the way. I told them the quantity change. We just stuck that up. That was just 6. I don't think we're going to make it. Yeah, anyway, it's very nice. And standing there in front.
Sad.
When we all get
Dun-dun. She's in. Dum. And this little mower strip. So, we're washing up. Washing it up, we just need a little bit of a plus. So, it's just a broom finish, so we got to chopper it and edge it and trowel it a bit. Bob's your uncle. See how this deck works. Okay. That was like a roof light. Plastic one. Okay? Plastic one. Come from America.
3D print one.
Yeah, that's it. That's you could, eh? Just 3D print all the tools. Have you got a 3D printer?
Yeah.
Fucking do it.
I got 4 of them.
Do it, and I'll help you.
And then I got,
Look at my gaming tool. I want to make a little screen.
yeah.
Like a meter screen. Just to do one.
Now that's thinking.
Mine's the max I can do is like 750.
Oh, do it. Do a 750 one then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we've hit it a bit with the chopper over there. We've hit it with the stick trail, the Fresnos. Just a bit wet. This shady tree has been a problem. But we'll be alright. We had a few, a few little wet spots there from the shade there, but it all blended in pretty good in the end, so can't complain about that one. Beautiful work. Bundaberg concreting. Concrete Bundaberg, sorry. Davies Concrete Bundaberg. Looks good. Good work, guys. Good work, boys. Yay.
See you on the next episode.
That's it. See ya. Maybe it's a little Drainos. Eddie just gets in my way. I'm trying to film him.
Sorry,
I
mate.
was trying to film his drain. Show him what he's doing here. Underneath there. Good work. Looks good. Why did you do these little wings, Dave? What are these little wings for?
Just because that's got wings.
Oh, okay.
So every time it rains, it's not going to wash away his fill.
Yeah, okay. Yep. See you up there? Here's some of the other ones up there. Yeah.
Something better. There you go, mate.
Bum bum.